Did you know hands-on learning boosts retention by 75%? In the next few seconds, you'll discover why this method is so powerful. First, it engages multiple senses. When you see, touch, and do, your brain forms stronger connections. Second, it makes abstract concepts tangible. This helps in understanding complex ideas faster. Third, it increases motivation. Active participation keeps you interested. Even better, it builds critical thinking skills. You solve real problems, not just theoretical ones. Remember, perfect practice makes perfect skill. So, get involved, try things out, and experiment. You'll retain information longer and enjoy the process. Like what you see? Subscribe for more. Hands-on learning isn't just effective, it's also fun. Next time you study, try a hands-on approach. You'll be amazed at how much you remember. Give it a shot today.